Welcome to Something for Everyone. Here on our channel, we are going to do so many projects. We want to welcome everyone to this channel. Hopefully you find something that you like on here. Go ahead and subscribe and like. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up. If you definitely like it, if you don't, give us a thumbs down and tell us what you like about it or you dislike about it. We want to make sure everybody is welcomed here. And always enjoy our projects. Our project today is Something Special Always for You. Check it out. I was actually unboxing. I've never done an unboxing before, and I wish I could go back to put this back together, but man, the person that boxed this had it all beautified like this, you know, and of course I ripped it all out, part of it anyway, but you can see from this end or this side how it was boxed up all great and everything, and it just really impressed me because most people don't take this much care with their packaging of anything that you purchase off of eBay and sometimes even on Amazon. Like my iron that I received from Amazon, that's another video within itself, but that sucker was open and already used, so the returns department need to get it together. Luckily it actually, well no, faithfully it actually still worked. So yeah, but I'm just going to continue to rip this off like I were doing. And how what made me want to do this video was the fact that I pushed this little piece here in to see where the head of it is, because this is a Lowe's box and it's turned sideways. And it has more cushioning on the inside of the box. So that took a lot of care to put this together in order to ship it. So I'm going to take it completely the rest of the way out of the packaging here and move that over to the side. And that tells me the person that actually packaged this, this was something that meant something to them, or it was something that they use and they took a lot of care to package it accurately. So I'm going to turn around this way because I think it is spaced up this way. And I'm just going to cut right through the plastic here. I mean, not the plastic, but the tape all the way down. And then I'm gonna cut it all the way across here. Sometimes I get these right, sometimes I stink at them. We'll know in a moment. Let's see, let's start pulling. There we go. I did pretty well this time. Okay, so I have to raise it up just a bit here in order to get this bottom piece open. I'm going to cut it straight across. Cut it down a little more there. Hopefully I scored it right. And we'll see, because I saw a lot of other packaging on the inside, and this is what I saw, the extra packaging. And I think that's really great because, again, not a lot of people take and insulate the packaging. And I actually say EPS insulation, so this is pretty great. And if you take that off, it's a piece of foam, but it's insulated. And we go from there, and we're pulling the rest of this out. And this is pretty awesome. There's a piece of insulation on top. This is my Serger machine that has come in, and I'm really excited to have it. I have the actual manual that goes with it, so that is pretty cool. But this is my very first time doing an unboxing on camera, and I think this is really great. So I'm going to sit that over to the side, and I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to back this up a little bit and see if we can get it pulled straight out. There's a little tiny piece here. I don't know if that means anything, but there's this tiny piece. I'm going to sit it over to the side here, and I am going to see if I can pull this out. It's pretty heavy. So I was right by saying that it was up on its side this way. Oh, and then they have another piece here. That was really awesome. For it to be a used item, they took a lot of care in packaging it, which is really great. This packaging is probably the best packaging I've seen for a used item in a very long time. Most of the time, if it's a single old machine, they really don't care. They put it in some raggedy box. They don't really package it very well. And it gets here to you, but you can tell that it got some bumps and scrapes and everything else on the side of it. This thing here, I can guarantee you didn't receive any bumps and scratches. I'm going to show you the inside of the box. So on the inside of the box, it's completely isolated or conditioned so it wouldn't receive too much damage to it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep the packaging and the box itself, because I haven't seen a box packed like this before and with so much care for an older machine. So I'm going to just sit this over to the side for right now. Let's see, does this come off? Yep, it comes off. I'm going to sit this over to the side. Everything is wrapped very tightly and very greatly, which was great. I'm going to, and on the bottom here, I don't know if you guys can actually see this, but let me bring the camera down a bit. On the bottom here, you'll notice that there's plastic or tape or wrapping stuff. It could be saran wrap wrapped very, very tightly around it to keep it all together. I think that's just awesome packaging there. And then these little pieces here is where the gap is underneath, which is pretty awesome. So I'm excited. And I'm ready to put this thing to work. This is like my very, very first serger. I got an older one because I know I'm learning. I'm learning how to serge, and I want everything to work accurately. I don't know if those are supposed to be slightly slanted backwards. The knobs here on top, they look slanted, so I don't know. Maybe that is supposed to be that way. Remember, this is my very first one, so I don't know. Now I'm gonna go ahead and release this and take off the rest of the packaging. And if you notice on the back, the packaging down here is all packaged, so you don't even see the back of the machine. Man, that's awesome. That is really, 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 truly awesome. I think this eBay seller should continue to sell the things and then give this type of quality. And well, you'll always have a buy from me if you have something I'm interested in. Come to your shop first, because I know I'm going to receive it very greatly. So I'm just going to take this loose here. And right now I'm just talking about the packaging, because I buy a lot of stuff off of eBay. I'm a first-time sewer, and people don't take this much pride in shipment or care in shipping items at all. So this is pretty great. These are some extra pieces, those extra pieces that were there. I'm gonna unravel this. And okay, so that's my machine. Perfecto. There's something here. Oh, okay, that was a piece of the other one. All right, this is my machine. I'm gonna set the box over here on the floor. And then I'm going to go ahead and set my machine out there. And the back is very well done. No damage to it. Alright, so this was some extra packaging to keep it secure. I'm gonna put that in there. And this is the foot to it. Pretty large foot, I think, but hey, as long as it works and it does what it's supposed to do, I believe that's what matters. And then here's some pieces here, which is some thread. And I guess, I don't know what those pieces are. I'll learn what those are, but I did get them. So I'm gonna put those together in one. Another tiny itty bitty metal piece. Don't know what that goes to. Okay, so that was pretty much it. But all this cushioning went to keep that machine safe. I'm gonna put it all down in the box. And I'm gonna take out the book. So that was wonderful. Outside packaging. I'm just gonna trash the outside packaging. So that would be wonderful as well. The rather all over it. It's pretty good. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of this video actually. Once I actually use it, I'll come back and after I learn some little pieces here and there, I'll come back and we'll get to it. We'll learn how to use it. This was a Serger Professional 14 U11/13, and this is the operator's guide to it. So I'm excited because I got the actual book that went to it. And I can't wait to learn how to thread it and how to use it and do something with it. Awesome sauce. You guys have the most awesome day.
Hope you enjoyed the content that you just saw, the project that you just watched with us. If you want to see something happen on this channel, leave it in the comment section below. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell icon so you can get all of the notifications when we upload new content to this channel. And always remember, you are welcome here at Something for Everyone. We want to make sure we all live clean and frugal and upright. So without further ado, always enjoy and have the most creative day.